You must have seen a lot of YouTube videos like this, where different topics are explained in a simple way. These are called explainer-style videos. Many creators who are using this style are getting millions of views. For example, look at these channels. They are getting thousands of views per day. One of the most important reasons why these videos get millions of views are the thumbnails. And today, I am going to show you how to make thumbnails like this. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt given in the comment section. And now, in the prompt, there is a portion called Insert Items in order from left to right, and in that section, type the items you want. For example, here I am typing map and some country names as I want to create the map of the countries, and then press Generate. After some time, you will get the thumbnail here. I got the map of the countries, but it doesn't have any color, so I asked ChatGPT to add some colors to the map. And it did. And finally, my thumbnail is ready here.